Hey guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my Chronos review. So I am here right inside of the members area of Chronos. Okay, in this review guys, I'll give you a walk through this product. And let's take a look at the sales page. Now you will find a link to the sales page right below my review. Go check it out for yourselves. We'll go through the funnel too. Now back to the sales page. I don't like it. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. However, having gone through the actual product, okay, Max Gerstenmaier gave me the review access. I've watched all of the videos. I've got to say there is some value to it. I said some because it depends on where you are with your affiliate marketing game, so to speak. Okay, whether you're a complete newbie, relatively experienced or super experienced, this product may or may not be the right one for you. So, I explain more in detail what you can expect, what method they teach you. In short, they surely did not reinvent the wheel here, and rightly so, I guess. Whether I, sort of endorse the methods they teach, this is another subject. Whether I would, entertain this method, this is also another subject. I am quite picky as to what methods I personally choose to go about promoting affiliate offers. I am more into organic traffic. This is my preference. And, paid traffic, which actually they go after here. I'll explain what exactly they tell you to do in order to promote a system, and this system in particular you will be approved to promote. So if you're a complete newbie, you don't have an affiliate offer to promote, or you struggle to get approval because you have no sales to show for, okay, when you ask for your approval from the vendors, then you need a guaranteed approval for at least one offer. Okay, so you will be approved for this one. And now I'll tell you more about it, but I just want to discuss what's written here on the sales page. They say expose the only set and forget system online, complete done for you system, banks as over 1,000 every 24 hours. Without having your own products, without being on camera, without dancing on social media. Well, I guess that's true. Although I don't like these statements, set and forget system, done for you system. I mean, sure, if you have the money to invest in this paid traffic, you could put it this way. This is set and forget, even though, the sales are never guaranteed, guys. But yeah, it's nothing to do with creating your own product with being on the camera on YouTube, or with, those, reels or TikTok videos when you dance on social media, even though they are trendy, okay? So, now all of these statements, it's, no, I don't like to see that. Some testimonials from real people. I know these guys, I know Kalim. And then I know, obviously, Max Gerstenmaier is actually one of the vendors. And this product, okay, did I say it goes live today? What's today? It's the 27th of October. So it goes live at 11 a.m. New York time today, Friday, yeah. Max is one of the vendors, even though he is not involved in the training at all. All of the training has been put together by Bill. I know Bill from Ministry of Freedom. Now, the thing about Bill is that, yeah, he was taught by John Armstrong he was taught to go create shiny objects, okay? And I guess he got burned by this method, okay? I must say he's a very hardworking, humble, genuine, and well-intentioned soul, okay? So he does share his experience with many shiny objects and how it didn't work for him, how he invested thousands and thousands in high-ticket training courses which didn't work for him, even though he does recommend a high-ticket training course here as well. which one I'll mention in a second. I know I'm jumping sort of back and forth from sales page to the members area, but yeah, it's like kind of like I tend to rumble sometimes, so I just share with you whatever pops into my head at the present moment. So the sales page is just too long. They repeat the same stuff, the same testimonials. These screenshots are, I mean, they're not relative. I mean, they don't relate to the actual product. Well, okay, maybe they do get these affiliate sales from the traffic they buy. I'm not too sure, although they may be from product launching actually. So I'm not too sure about the screenshots. I'm just saying, this is just my opinion. They may not be, from this method that they talk about on this inside of the members area. But anyhow, let me show you what you will find inside of the members area. So from here, this is a welcome video by Bill. As I said, he seems like a really good guy, and I do know that he's very hardworking, and I do remember, like, even back from 2 years ago, he was always very involved in Ministry of Freedom, doing like support groups, sharing whatever he has learned with, other members from Ministry of Freedom and his students now, because he's like, he has created his own high-ticket training course as well, or was it more like a mid-ticket? Because the high-ticket he recommends here is actually, guys, let me show you here. He does recommend it, but he says, like, guys, this is the high-ticket training course that has helped me made, thousands and thousands. Okay, he makes five figures a month, I believe, these days. So he will give you an overview of the system. He will teach you here in this video. It's like 15 minutes video. And here he will talk about different types of traffic. Like he says there are 3 types of traffic: traffic you control, traffic you don't control, and traffic you own. Traffic you control is the traffic you buy. And let me just, uncover the mystery here, reveal the mystery, and he will specifically encourage you to go and buy solo ads from Udemy. Okay, this is something. It's not for everybody, and you need to know whom to buy the solo ads from and all of that. The best traffic you have is the traffic that comes your way, not the traffic you go after. However, okay, I cannot speak much about solo ads because I haven't really tried this method myself yet. But I do know from many marketers it works for them. So if it works for him, great. If you have some money to invest, if you're not on a budget, you may want to entertain this method and follow his teachings. Okay, try it, but be prepared that you can burn quite a lot of money. Okay, because before you see a return on your investment, so be prepared. I just, I have every intention here to keep it very realistic and down to earth. But anyhow, back to this video here where he talks about 3 types of traffic. So the traffic you control, he says, he's quoting somebody. Okay, some like big daddy in internet marketing who differentiated 3 types, who distinguished 3 types of traffic. So the traffic you control is the traffic you buy via paid traffic methods, via, like solo ads, Google ads, whatever ads. But traffic you don't control is the traffic from social media. So it still can be buyers, but you never know. Sometimes a piece of content goes viral and you don't know why that happened on social media, and still traffic, but you don't control this traffic, okay? And the traffic you own, so to speak, is the traffic you have from your, from your subscribers on your email list. So here, if you click here, you can sign up for Chronos. So you can be, if you don't have an affiliate offer or a system to promote as an affiliate, you can promote Chronos and you'll get all of the email swipes and all of that. Okay, so like further down in this module here, He will take you through how to set up your autoresponder, so you can again promote this system and that even get 100% commissions on Chronos if you get the reseller rights, which is one of the upsells. And then we, in this proven formula, step by step, here is the thing that, you know, he works with ClickFunnels. Another thing you need to be aware of here, okay? So he will give you the so-called share code to copy his funnels. So his opt-in page, his thank you page, or bridge page, or, you know, or whatever page that, you know, then takes the traffic from the opt-in to the actual sales page. Okay, he recommends using a bridge page. But what I do like is, you know, he's very understanding as to, you know, the fact, and he doesn't hide the fact that, you know, ClickFunnels is monthly payments, $100 each month for ClickFunnels. And if you don't know how to use this platform, guys, like, you know, better stay away from it and go for the free ClickFunnels alternative, which he also recommends here to start with, especially if you're on a budget, which is called System.io. I love this platform myself, okay? It's like all encompassing, really, platform. It's your funnel builder, your website builder, your whatever builder, even your autoresponder. Even I will be moving soon from GetResponse to System.io, actually, because I'm truly fascinated by this platform. I love it. So that's what he shows you here. And the timeless profit with less building. Okay, here he says go and open up a free account with Aweber, and he gives you also how to he shows you how to set up your automations. So say people, you'd buy solar ads. That's the traffic source he recommends here, okay? And to me, I'm like, not for me, but if you have money to spend, you can try it out, okay? So anyhow, the leads the people, okay, the traffic that would opt into your opt-in page, you would have them here in your autoresponder on your list. And then you just need to, he would give you his email swipes and share the code for his automations, autoresponder automations, so the emails would be automatically sent to whoever opts into your opt-in page. Okay, and all you need to do, just follow the tutorials, integrate your autoresponder with your, here in this instance, ClickFunnels, but he also says you can just integrate with System.io. Okay, and yeah, you just follow up with them, and that's the method. You buy solo ads, and you send emails to them, and as I said, they did not reinvent the wheel in any shape or form here. So here he gives you the share codes for the email campaigns and all of that. Okay, so the so-called push button profits, as I said, it will cost you money. So they say the most trustable traffic source. And he will talk about Udemy here. As I said, it's solo ads, guys. It is not cheap, and it is traffic you go after. The best traffic is, as I always say, that comes to you. So, you can play around with it, you can try it out, but don't expect to make money straight away. And, be prepared to spend quite a bit before you see return on your investment. That's just a harsh reality. But, if we don't experiment, we don't learn. So I guess, it's good to experiment. And in the blue ocean strategy, okay, let me just remind myself what he was talking about. Okay, this is like it's quite a good tutorial. It was actually taken from his YouTube channel. He's got a lot of good content on his YouTube channel, I must say, okay? He, Bill, creates a lot of helpful videos, tutorials for newbies. So he's very generous with sharing, tips and tricks and hacks and all of that. Now, So he will talk about marketing, organic marketing strategies here in this tutorial. And here is a case study, the money he's been making. Okay, and here you will have the upgrades. So 5 upgrades, OTO number 1, I'll show you the upgrades in a second. Evergreen bonus library, you have quite a lot of bonuses here. The solo ads heads you need to know, so more information about solo ads. Before you invest in solo ads, do your due diligence, guys, and really clue yourself up, get yourself clued up, okay, on how and what and from whom to buy, so because there are a lot of not so good Udemy solo ads sellers. So yeah, you need to know whom to buy from. And you have some lead magnets here for collecting emails, for growing your list, okay, and for support you hit this button here. Okay, now as for the funnel, front end 12.95, OTO number 1 21, OTO number 2 197, quite pricey. OTO number 3 37, OTO number 4 97, OTO number 5 97. And as I said, this is a launch by, that's actually Fergal Downs, where he says that they're not trying to reinvent the wheel here, and I totally agree with that. So Fergal Downs officially is the vendor here, but as I said, all of the training has been put together by Bill. Okay, this guy here. And there is Max Gerstenmaier involved here as well, in somehow, but not in the training, not in the members area. Alright guys, I guess that's all. Okay, you will find the link to the sales page. Should you feel like, you want to try it out, you will get some value from this training course for sure. But again, the right product for the right person, not for everybody, not for a complete newbie on a budget for sure, okay? So if you've got some money to spend, again, and you're looking for a system that you can possibly promote, and you struggle to get approved, you may want to entertain this, this method. Right, I guess love you and leave you, and I shall see you soon, guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye.